Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Getaround car sharing account, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete the verification process and start renting or sharing vehicles. Step 1. Open the Getaround mobile app on your smartphone or visit the Getaround website on your computer. Log in using the credentials you created during registration. Step 2. Navigate to your account profile by tapping on your profile icon or selecting Account from the main menu. Step 3. Look for a notification or banner indicating that your account needs verification. This typically appears on your dashboard or in the account settings section. Step 4. Click on Verify Account or Complete Verification to begin the process. Getaround may require multiple forms of verification, including identity, driver's license, and payment method. Step 5. Upload a clear photo of your government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Ensure the image is well lit and all text is legible. Step 6. Provide a selfie or live photo for identity confirmation. Follow the on-screen instructions to capture your photo properly. Step 7. Submit your driver's license information, including the license number, expiration date, and state of issuance. You may need to upload a photo of both sides of your license. Step 8. Add and verify your payment method by entering your credit or debit card information. Getaround may place a small temporary hold to confirm the card is valid. Step 9. Wait for Getaround to review your verification documents. This process typically takes 24 to 48 hours. You'll receive an email notification once your account is verified. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.